This drawbridge puzzle doesn't make any sense because once you add one piece into the drawbridge and close the drawbridge, you can take another piece and add it over here onto this side of the puzzle. It looks super easy to add the last piece, but once you try add that piece in, it won't go in because the drawbridge is closed. We have to find another way to get this third piece in without closing the drawbridge. This is the drawbridge puzzle. It is designed by Theo Geerinck and Symen Hovinga. It is a level 7 on the Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal is just to get all 3 of the pieces into the drawbridge. To get the drawbridge puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca. To see more videos from Puzzle Master, make sure you click that subscribe button. But you come across a problem once you put 1 or even 2 of the drawbridge pieces in. So if we place one in like this, we can place another one in over here. But then how do we get this one past here? Maybe take this one and place it in like this. Then we can place another one in over here. Next, we can take this one and place it on this side of the puzzle. Lastly, we can take this piece and place it in the center. Once you get it into the right spot, now all you have to do is turn these other 2 pieces in so that all of the pieces are underneath the drawbridge. If you like the drawbridge puzzle and you want to get it for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca. But if you want to see more fun puzzle solves like this, click this video right here.